Ka lympung iakob thei bhabriew mentau snem balatip kum ka Miss Shillong 8,000 arpusau kalalong ka ba shongshit bha naba kidan haduh khat san ngut ki Samla kynthei kiba mi bniah knieh ya ka nam Lahduh bat phong ya ka pansngiat Miss Shillong menta ka kynti. Hadien ka jingbishar ka ba sani bat ka ba bniah da ki Nongbishar khatduh ya ka nam Lahduh mentau snem layo da ka Gracey Nandi katba ya ka kerdan ka ba ar layo da ka Mahima Sinha but saka Loretta Laloo kabayo ya ka kerdan kabalai. Kaladu hakani ka jing iakob kayo ban kore ka song pisa kaba shilak tengka kabawan baar kayo ya ka song pisa kaba nyupusan hajar tengka bat kabawan balai ka song pisa kaba sanpau hajar tengka. Ladon langru hakani ka janmit da UCM ka KHADC Bah PS Syiem u Principal Secretary ka Tenat Arts and Culture Bah Fredrick Kharkongor ki bahayeng jo kinang benta na lor ki thei bhabriew ki balajab haki snem baladep.
So they can't fly, and oh, but she's so brave though, just like a tornado, she's taking us by storm. You can't stop the thought from going, you can't stop the world from knowing, the truth will set you free. Oh, you can't stop the thought from going, you can't stop the world from knowing, the truth will set you free. Oh, you can't stop the girl. They're trying to take our voices. They're trying to
Let's give a round of applause for all the gorgeous ladies.
I know you feel the lightning, and it's so exciting.
This must be so nerve-wracking for you girls. Are you ready for the winners? Are you guys ready for the winners? All right. For the second runner-up, I would first like to call upon the stage Miss Rebecca Nongklau, the second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2023, and also the subtitle holder of Miss Beautiful Eyes, again of 2023, to crown the second runner-up of today's show, Miss Shillong 2024. And the winner, no, not yet. The second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2024 is contestant number 14, Loretta Laloo. Please put your hands together for the very beautiful, very gorgeous Loretta Laloo. Can we please have the crown and the sash on the stage, please? We present to you the second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2024, Miss Loretta Laloo.
Now, for the next title of this evening, I would like to call our reigning Miss Shillong first runner-up, Miss Rachel Jirwa, to come on the stage to crown. Miss Rachel Jarwa. She has crossed the barrier and surpassed expectation by winning the first Miss Hornbill International 2023. Are you ready? The winner, the first runner-up of Miss Shillong 2024 is, any guesses? Contestant number 3, Mahima Sinha. Thank you, Rachel. Your first runner-up, Miss Shillong 2024, Mahima Sinha.
And finally, the winner who will take home a big amount and will be crowned the Miss Shillong 2024 will be crowned by none other than Miss Shaivalri Lartang, the winner of Miss Shillong 2023 and the first runner-up of Miss Meghalaya, and also contested for the Mega Miss Northeast. Please welcome Miss Shaivalri Lartang. Please give her a big round of applause. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The winner of Miss Shillong 2024 is contestant number
Some of you are right and some of you are wrong.
contestant number Contestant number 5,
Gracey Nandi!
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Miss Shillong 2024, Miss Gracey Nandi.
Miss Gracey Nandi.
One more time, please give her a big round of applause. would you also give a big round of applause to the hard work and their resilience for Emmy Chwadaka and Angeline Jackson. And once again, the winners of Miss Shillong 2024.
We have here in our midst Bah Fredrick Kharkongor. I would like to invite him to come on the stage to hand over the check to the title holders. I would like to request the volunteers. Second runner-up, contestant number 14, Loretta Laloo. She's going home with 50,000 rupees.
And the first runner-up, Miss Mahima Sinha, contestant number 3, is taking home 75,000 rupees.
And for the winner, Miss Gracey Nandi. She's going home with 1 lakh rupees.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please give a big and really, really good round of applause again to Miss Gracey Nandi, Miss Mahima Sinha, and Miss Loretta Laloo. We are so proud of you. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Please take a walk.